Well, I'm tired of hearing your bullshit.
I'm tired of being your doormat.
And I'm tired of being poor.
I'm tired of being afraid.
Paul, I am sick and tired of your lies.
I'm tired of talking about stalkers. Let's talk about you.
I'm tired of dealing with shit all the time.
I was just tired of living alone in the garbage.
I'm sick and tired of having to eke my way through life.
I'm tired of people messing with me.
I'm free. I got tired of waiting.
Because I am tired of it all.
I'm tired of this. From now on, I'm Switzerland, okay?
I'm so tired of running rampant through the streets.
I am tired of being strong.
Okay, that's it. I am sick and tired of your lies, young lady. You're grounded.
You know, babes, I'm tired of being someone else's errand boy.
I'm tired of remembering it that way.
I want to go straight. I'm tired of the lies.
You know, I really used to like high tech, but I'm tired of it now.
Why are you doing this?
I'm so tired of being good.
How do you feel?
Tired of answering that question.
I just want to belong to someone, Ruby. I'm tired of waiting.
Mommy is just so sick and tired of wearing panties.
You're right, Mr. Reed. I am tired of getting kicked around.
Good for you!
I am tired of all your training, your lecturing. I am tired of waiting for you to tell me I am ready.